call a modern truck reliable if one warning light after the warranty could trigger a five-figure repair? Ford recalled nearly 1.4 million F-150s over an unexpected downshift risk. GM and Toyota also issued engine recalls involving internal damage. In this video, we'll show why trucks are better than ever, and why they can become harder, riskier, and more expensive after 100,000 miles. Let's get into it. Better trucks, bigger consequences. Modern pickups are stronger, faster, safer, quieter, and more comfortable than the trucks people drove 20 years ago. They tow more, stop better, protect passengers better, and offer technology older truck owners could barely imagine. But the same progress that made trucks better also made their failures more complicated. Those recent recalls do not prove that every modern truck is unreliable, but they show how quickly one defect can turn a capable vehicle into an expensive and potentially dangerous problem. At 30,000 miles, a modern pickup can feel almost perfect. At 110,000 miles, one hard shift, engine knock, or electronic warning can make the owner wonder whether the next repair will cost a few $100s, or several thousand. That is the real conflict. Modern trucks are better at doing the job, but they are harder to own casually. More performance and technology also mean more systems that must survive towing, heat, vibration, neglected maintenance, and time. 20 years ago, owners mainly worried about the engine and transmission. Today, they also have to think about turbos, electronics, cooling systems, emissions equipment, and software. A modern truck can still tow and drive while becoming financially exhausting to own. That is why reliability after 100,000 miles is no longer only about whether the truck still moves. It is about whether the entire vehicle remains affordable to trust. Were old trucks really better? Older truck owners love talking about simple V8s, basic automatic transmissions, manual transfer cases, steel bumpers, and interiors that could survive years of abuse. But memory leaves something out. Many old trucks rusted badly. Some had weak transmissions, poor crash protection, terrible fuel economy, leaking seals, and well-known engine problems. We also remember the survivors. The clean 20-year-old pickup you see today is usually one that was carefully maintained, repeatedly repaired, protected from rust, or simply lucky. The worst examples disappeared years ago. That is survivor bias, and it makes the past look more reliable than it really was. But the nostalgia is not completely wrong. Older trucks were often easier to keep alive. When something failed, the problem usually felt mechanical. You could hear it, feel it, smell it, or see it. A regular mechanic could often diagnose the issue without factory programming, network diagrams, or hours of electrical testing. That simplicity kept many repairs understandable and relatively contained. Older trucks were not always better. They were often easier to rescue. Would you rather own a newer truck with more power and safety, or an older truck that almost any independent shop can repair? Put your answer in the comments, because that trade-off is the heart of this debate. Now let's move from nostalgia to the failures owners are actually facing. Modern engines leave less room for cheap errors. Modern truck engines can produce remarkable torque, use less fuel under the right conditions, and move a heavy pickup almost effortlessly. But they depend on many systems working precisely together. Turbocharging, direct injection, cylinder deactivation, advanced cooling, and computer-controlled power delivery can all improve performance. They can also make failures more difficult and expensive to contain. Consider GM's 6.2-liter L87V8 recall. The affected group included nearly 600,000 trucks and SUVs. Official recall documents described possible manufacturing defects involving connecting rods and crankshafts that could lead to engine damage, failure, and loss of propulsion. That is not a minor inconvenience. An internal engine failure can mean a replacement engine, a rental vehicle, back-ordered parts, and weeks or months of uncertainty. Toyota's newer Tundra presents a different version of the same risk. Toyota said machining debris may not have been completely removed from certain engines during manufacturing. Under load, that debris could damage a crankshaft bearing and lead to knocking, rough running, failure to start, or engine stall. So ask yourself this: how much does a famous reliability badge protect an owner when a manufacturing defect is already inside the engine? The badge still matters, but it is not a shield. These recalls do not condemn every GM or Toyota engine, but the badge cannot override the exact engine, production date, and VIN. An old truck might lose a weekend to an ignition problem or leaking gasket. Internal damage in a modern truck can become a five-figure financial decision. That is the difference between old truck frustration and modern truck fear. And maintenance matters more than many owners realize. Modern engines can last a long time, but delayed oil changes, overheating, incorrect fluids, towing abuse, or ignoring warning signs can turn a manageable problem into a major failure. Transmissions can fail without actually quitting. A transmission does not have to stop moving the truck to destroy the owner's confidence. One unexpected downshift at highway speed can do that. Ford recalled nearly 1.4 million F-150S from the 2015 through 2017 model years. A degraded electrical connection could send an incorrect signal to the truck's computer and cause a temporary unintended downshift into second gear. At highway speed, that could create a sudden reduction in wheel speed and make the truck more difficult to control. Imagine it happening while towing, driving in rain, or traveling with traffic close behind. Even if the driver regains control, the truck may never feel trustworthy again. Modern 8, 9, and 10 speed transmissions provide real benefits. They improve acceleration, towing response, fuel economy, and lower highway RPM. But they also depend on more sensors, electrical signals, clutch management, and software decisions. As the truck ages, heat, towing, worn electrical connections, and neglected fluid can expose problems that are difficult to reproduce and expensive to diagnose. A delayed shift, shudder, hard downshift, or hesitation may begin as a small annoyance. For the owner, it quickly becomes a much larger question. Is this a software problem, an electrical fault, a valve body issue, or the beginning of a complete transmission replacement? That uncertainty is expensive before a single part is ordered, and it explains why the transmission still works is not the same as the transmission is healthy. A truck can run and still feel broken. A modern truck can start, drive, and tow while still feeling broken to the owner. If the cameras fail, the trailer system throws warnings, or a safety system disables itself, the engine may still run, but the truck no longer delivers what the owner paid for. More than 1.2 million Ram 1500S were recalled because an ABS software malfunction could disable electronic stability control. Think about what that means. The truck can be mechanically capable, yet one software fault can remove a major safety system. That is modern durability in one sentence. The hardware may still be strong, while an electronic failure changes the entire driving experience. Luxury equipment adds another layer. Power running boards, air suspension, large touchscreens, and camera systems make a new truck feel expensive. After 100,000 miles, each one becomes another system that may eventually require diagnosis, calibration, or replacement. A failed running board will not destroy the engine. A dead screen may not stop the truck from moving. But owners did not pay modern truck prices for a vehicle that only works in the most basic sense. That is why trim level matters more than many buyers realize. A basic work truck and a fully loaded luxury version may share the same grille and powertrain, but they do not age with the same number of potential failure points. The luxury truck gives you more every day. It also gives you more to lose. And if you want more breakdowns that separate real ownership risk from brand loyalty, subscribe to AutoPulse TV. And this is where the price changes the entire meaning of reliability. The price changed reliability. When a truck costs $60,000, $70,000 or more, owners expect more than performance. Truck buyers are not only buying horsepower, leather, and towing numbers. They are buying the belief that the vehicle will remain dependable after the warranty ends. So when an expensive pickup develops an engine noise, hard shift, warning light, or electrical fault, it does not feel like routine ownership. It feels like betrayal. A newer truck may be safer, faster, and more capable than the old pickup it replaced. But if the owner cannot predict the cost of the next warning light, is it really more reliable or simply more capable? That is the standard modern trucks are now being judged against. How to buy without guessing. Modern trucks can last a long time, but buying only by badge is no longer enough. The first rule is simple: buy the powertrain, not the logo. The exact engine, transmission, model year, and configuration matter more than a brand's overall reputation. Two trucks wearing the same badge can have completely different long-term ownership risks. Second, verify the history. Check official recalls by VIN. Review maintenance records, transmission service, cooling system repairs, towing history, and warning lights. A clean exterior does not prove that the truck was maintained correctly. Third, pay for an independent pre-purchase inspection. A qualified technician should evaluate cold start behavior, shift quality, stored diagnostic codes, fluid leaks, rust, suspension wear, and signs of heavy towing or modification. And do not assume the most expensive trim is automatically the best long-term truck. If you plan to keep a pickup for 10 or 15 years, every optional system should be viewed as something that may eventually need diagnosis or repair. The badge gets you interested. The VIN, service history, and actual condition tell you the truth. Modern trucks are better in almost every measurable way, but they are not automatically better at aging. Their complexity does not guarantee failure. It makes defects, neglect, and poor repairs more expensive. Trust the exact powertrain, service history, recall record, and condition, not the grille. Because after 100,000 miles, the badge does not pay the repair bill. You do. Post your truck, mileage, and biggest repair in the comments, and subscribe to AutoPulse TV.